Okay, on to a Profit exclusive interview. Bombay Dyeing has now consolidated their real estate assets under one banner. That's Bombay Realty, which they are planning to develop various key projects under. Devina Gupta caught up with Jay Vadia, the chairman of the company, asking him about the possible plans of the company tapping the equity markets, as well as his plans for the 70-acre Island City Centre coming up in central Mumbai.
Well, the hotel, we're looking at a 5-star hotel with a sizable convention center. We are looking at a school, international school. We are looking at a mall combined with a high street, high real estate prices. The combination of all of them is, at the moment we've launched 2 residential towers. We'll be launching the hotel, we'll be launching in terms of the mall, the high street and the school very shortly.
And since you are a man known for his fine taste, would we be looking at these international chains coming into India from hotel perspective? Would you be tying up with some international chain for your Worli and the other project?
Yes, we would. We'd be tying up with the international reputed brand. So we're talking to a few of them, and we should be announcing that very shortly.
In our discussion, coming from your point of view, you're trying to create a premium luxury brand and an ultra premium luxury brand. You have the money, you come and I'll give you the right kind of service that your money deserves. Value for money, but for the luxury segment and the super luxury segment. What about middle class people like us? Do we have any project on your Bombay Realty
yes, we will be having
the affordable
we will be having projects. There's absolutely no question about it. We will be catering in terms of to the various SEC classes, and we will have smaller unit sizes in different locations of Bombay. Properties that we come up with, in Malad, in Thana, those will obviously in terms of be more affordable and for a wider range of consumers.
Absolutely. And also talking about your redevelopment project, exiting that redevelopment space and sort of just banking on the kind of traditional land bank that you have looking at from the Bombay.
Well, at the moment we've decided to focus on our own land bank, and as a result the third party properties that we sort of went into partnership to joint develop, we decided to basically exit them. Because ultimately what we're creating in the Island City in terms of with our own 2 properties and the other properties that we have in the rest of Bombay need focus.
And there have been speculations of you hitting primary market with Bombay Realty. Will you be looking at that kind of valuation, say 1 year down the line, where you will be able to come out with an IPO?
Well, Bombay Realty is a division of Bombay Dyeing, which is a listed entity. We have a track record of giving dividends to our shareholders for 126 years. And we have no plans at the moment of demerging Bombay Realty from Bombay Dyeing.
All right, moving on now.